Hello and welcome to the unboxing of car interior decoration atmospheric light by GoMechanic. These are basically LED strips for your car. There you go. There's an image of the strips over here. You can see there are four strips and remote control, a power adapter, and there's also a 12-volt cigarette adapter for when you want to connect it to a car. That's all the information we have on this box. We will open this and show you what's inside. There you go. These are the components. And this is what you'll find inside the box. We have a remote control for controlling the different LED strips. These comes with color options as well. There is basically RGB and also CMYK options over here, and you can also add some presets and transitions as well. Next we have this 12-volt cigarette lighter. This is basically the power adapter, in a manner of speaking. So you will connect this device through this port over here, and once this is connected you will attach this to your car, and then this particular LED strip is good to go. So yeah, and now let's take a look at this LED strips in question. So there are 4 LED strips. Each of these contain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 into 4, that's total of 48 LED bulbs in these tiny LED bulbs in these 4 strips, as you can see. Not just that, it comes with this pretty long cable. This is at least 3 meter long to 3 to 5 meter long cable, and then at the very end you have this IR controller. This is where the power cable goes in, like so, and then you get to use it. This is it. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the car interior decoration atmospheric light from GoMechanic. Thank you for watching.